Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 7T Pro, and today I will show you how to reset camera settings and any kind of adjustments that you have done to it. So if you open up the camera, I'm actually gonna do a couple things. Go into the settings. I'm gonna mess around with the settings. So let's say I'm gonna turn off the shutter sound. I'm gonna enable the grid, so there is some kind of thing to show that it does work. I guess that's good enough. And as you can see in the settings, there is no reset option, so we'll have to do it through settings. So in the settings, you want to go into the apps, so apps and notifications, and if you see the camera right here, you can immediately just tap on it. If you don't, you will have to see all apps and find the camera from here. So pretty sure I already missed it, considering it's under C, so right here. And once you have it open, you want to go into storage and cache and just clear storage. Okay. And now if we close this and go into the camera again, you'll get this pop-up to basically allow. And then if we go back into the settings, you will see that shutter sound is back on and there's again no grid lines. So it worked, and if you add more things, mess around, they will all be set back to the default settings. So yeah, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.